Hi, this is the latest addition to the Outback range of leisure generator sets from Cromlands. This is the Outback 4.5i. It produces a whopping 4.5 kilowatts of power and gives you 3.7 kilowatts of usable power all day. That's electric start, it's inverter technology, it's quiet, it's compact, and it's got lots of power. So let's have a closer look at some of those features this unit has to offer. So looking at the features this unit has, it has a great three-way starting system. You've got the manual start, you've got the push button style start, and you've also got this fabulous remote control start. It has two power outlets with weatherproof covers, a 12-volt cigarette style charging outlet, and two USB charging ports. Other features are a VHT meter, that's volts, frequency and time meter, power indicators, eco mode for economical running under low loads, and a reset button for your power overloads. So over on this side here we have an access door to our multifunction power pack. Now we use the multifunction power pack as our battery to start our unit. So removing the power bank, it comes complete with two USB ports for charging things like mobile phones and laptops. Also has a set of jumper leads for starting vehicles up to about 2.4 litres, and also incorporates a torch. So moving to the top of the generator set, we've got a 7-litre fuel tank. That'll give you up to about 12 hours runtime, load depending. Also has a handy sight glass to tell you how much fuel's left in the fuel tank. On the sides here we have two nice compact wheels with a retractable luggage case style handle for easy movement around when you need to use and move and store. We have also a spark arresting muffler. So if you're looking for an inverter generator set, look no further than the Outback 4.5. It's compact, it's economical, it's quiet, and it really packs out a punch. Great for power around the house, little fetes, camping, caravanning, RVs, just a great little set all round. The Outback 4.5i is also backed up by the Australian-wide sales, service and spare parts network. So get on the website, have a look for your nearest dealer, go down and have a look for yourself. Thanks and bye for now.